Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to upload stories in your YouTube app. So okay, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your YouTube application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your YouTube app, so okay, you can find the stories. You can see the stories. Scroll to the left. You can see different channel stories, okay. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to upload your own stories. So okay, to upload is, all you have to do is click the circle with positive sign. Okay guys, here you can upload via camera or you can upload from your gallery. Click the square on the lower left side on your screen and you can find your short video or picture you want to upload in your stories. Okay, I choose this one. I choose this image to upload my stories. Okay, you all have to do to post this in your YouTube account. So okay, you all have to do is click the post on the lower right side on your screen. Click post. Okay guys, your stories are posted in YouTube stories. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.